we're going to be unboxing Block B, her album. Go, bro! An ordinary girl. Yay! Oh my god. Oh, I go. Breathe in, breathe out. Oh, what's that? Mini versions.
Oh yeah, I know, right? Zico!
Can you give that to me?
Yeah.
Yay, I love you.
Oh, it's Zico. See that?
Zico.
Paper doll. Zico paper doll. No, the mini version. I go.
Same content?
Yeah, mini
Oh.
version.
Does it hurt that much?
Yeah. Oh, but it's so cute. Look, the smart critter.
Let me see the freckles.
Oh.
There you go. Same as the special version?
No.
No?
Yeah, no.
Can we compare it?
Yeah.
So we're comparing the album and the special version. This is the Uma and the cute one.
Cutie.
Let's see how they differ.
The first page of this one. This is the first
Oh, so this one doesn't contain this.
Yeah. We have like this. Oh, cute.
I want to see PO and the freckles.
Oh, that.
Oh, they.
You have it.
Okay, I'm happy.
I'm so happy. I'm so glad I'm
I'm going to be unboxing the XO Dimension X. Oh my god, why am I spazzing? I'm not an XO fan. Bye bye!
Then the poster, the